welcome to my channel. I'm V and this is Victory Vibes Only. I thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok at Grace Victorious V and see what I'm doing on there as well. So in today's video, I'm absolutely excited. I'm going to be unboxing my Abella sunwear. I'm so excited about this. I'm actually an ambassador for the company because I absolutely love sunglasses, and especially good quality sunglasses. And summer is upon us here in Alabama. It has been 90 for the last 2 months, I promise you. So the sun is out. She's outside, okay? And she does not play. And I do have, I think from working from home and I don't know what quarantine has to do with it, but I really feel like it has something to do with it. But ever since like 2020, like I've had a light sensitivity when it comes to really bright light, like even with my ring light sometimes, but going outside in the day without sunglasses can trigger a headache for me. So I need my sunnies. So when I saw that they were looking for ambassadors, I was like, oh yeah, I definitely love sunglasses, so let's get to it, you know? So if you're interested in any of the products that I have, please stay tuned and don't forget to like. Alright guys, thank you for sticking into this video. Again, this is an Abella sunwear unboxing, so let's get to it. And I didn't only get it somewhere, but we'll get to that. So it comes in a regular box, lightweight, what I love about it, and it's sleek, white, and I didn't just get it somewhere, so like I told you guys in a previous video, I absolutely love gold hoops and I love gold jewelry in general, as you can see. So I decided to get different size hoops, and I think all of them were like $3.99 for all 3 pairs. So yeah, I got some large hoops, some medium hoops, I hope you guys can see these, and some small hoops. So I absolutely love every size because there is a need for different size hoops. And excuse my nails, I went through a weird experience with my last set of nails, and I'm trying to grow out the issue that I had. So you know, like when you have bad experience, like when your nail goes through trauma, it's really painful. Like my nails were thin as rice paper, and I was like, let me get nails to put on it, but it was like them drilling on my nails, and I had a hole in this nail. I was like, no, I can't do it. Like I couldn't do it. So you're gonna see bare nails for a minute, so bear with me, honey. But anyways, I absolutely love these hoops. And like I said, they're necessary for all occasions. Like 3 different sizes, we need 3 different sizes. And so this is how the sunglasses come. And it has just a simple script, which I absolutely love. I feel like sometimes small businesses can do a lot with logos, but this is just so simple and sleek. I love a simple and sleek logo. I just feel like it says so much. Like it just says less is more, right? But this is how it comes, and it says Abella on it. Beautiful. And then the actual sunglasses has Abella on it, so love that. And the ones that I got are called the Clintons, and it just comes like this, right? Oh, I love that as well. So it comes with an Abella. Like I love the simple detail, the Abella cleaning cloth, and also the care card. And it talks about like their social media, how returns go, exchanges, warranty, and a thank you, and a certificate of authentication. Absolutely love that. It actually doesn't have care on it, but it's pretty simple with sunglasses, right? So yeah, I love that. Just a nice little detail as a small business, you know, I like that. I was about to say something, but I completely forgot. But let's get into the actual sunglasses. So this is how they come. And they're wrapped in a little film. I absolutely love these. Oh my goodness. And like I said, attention to detail. Do you see that? It has the name Abella on it. I absolutely love it. I love it. Okay. And it's such care to the sunglasses as well. Oh, and it comes with the carrier that says Abella. So I absolutely love that. And has a little film on it. Let me take that off. Oh, this is I love these sunglasses. I wanted something oversized, and it even has Abella up in the corner. Love it. The attention to detail is absolutely priceless. You see? And these are what they look like on. These are absolutely giving. Do you understand? Yes. On my way to Target, on my way to the beach, on my way to where? To church. On my way, honey, on my way. I absolutely love these. They give. They give, okay? I love these. And these are the Quintons in black. I didn't know that it came with this little bag, so I bought an extra one. Which I'm still gonna use it. It's a pink suede eyewear case. Oh, it feels so nice and so soft. It doesn't have Abella on it, so I'll probably just be I don't know, but I like this magnetic closure to it. Yes, I absolutely love that. That's the third thing that I got. But get into these sunglasses. I am on my way to Target. I'm running errands. I'm giving luxurious. I'm giving. It's giving luxury. I absolutely love these sunglasses. And I just love, like I said, I love the attention to detail. And this is a woman-owned business. I love a good girl boss, okay? And so, yeah. This is the unboxing of my Quinton sunglasses by Abella. Please be sure to check them out and also use my coupon code. So I will definitely be linking Abella down in the description box, and also have my coupon code loaded as well, so you girls can grab you some sunnies. I know you know, this is a beach time, you know, summertime is upon us, and you better give them the body that you got. You get what I'm saying? We ain't got time, okay? Give them the body that you got and grab you some Abella sunglasses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And remember, God loves you, God sees you, and He has a perfect plan for you. If you feel as though you can't go on with life, check my description box down below, because I have some resources for you. Be blessed, y'all. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.